Hi, Mark here. It is 9:17 a.m. Eastern, 2nd of May. And let's have a look how the US dollar stands going into the US session. At 8:30 a.m., we had the non-farm payrolls, US job numbers. Came up a little bit higher than consensus was around 125, 150,000. Actual number 177,000. US dollar did immediately rally on that number, but now we'll see if that's going to be maintained. Look at the US dollar index. You can see last 3 days, as US dollar index has started definitely on a positive note following the Asian European session. Not the case today. Today we saw a sell-off in the US dollar from the start. Double top up here at 116 and has come down since. As I say, following the job numbers, a sharp spike in the US, but I think that's already, those gains have already been given up. And let's have a look how the majors stand. Firstly, the euro. There you can see after 3 days of euro selling and US dollar strength, today euro is definitely fighting back, sitting at 113.39 right now, bounced up off support. Daily trend is still down. If we go to the shorter time frames, we'll see a turnaround, I'm sure. There on the 4 hour, they've already crossed over the EMAs, sitting right now 113.39 and looking possibly to go higher as the US session picks up steam. If I go to the hourly, that trend will be even stronger. There you can see that the job numbers where the US dollar did strengthen, but euro stepped right back up and already crossed over that 113.39 and looking strong. We must also remember there was strong data out of the Eurozone this morning as well, which is also adding to this mini euro rally that we're seeing. Let's have a look at the pound. There you see pound a little bit flatter than the euro, but also bouncing back after three consecutive down days, red days, where the US dollar strengthened. A little bounce back on the pound today, sitting at 133 right now. Downtrend on the daily still. On the 4 hour, let's see if that has barely crossing over right now. You can see just over the 133 level, and we'll be looking for resistance up here at 133.45 will be the first target for buyers. Sellers will want to look to come back down and test support at 132.59. On the hourly, that sitting pretty flat for now, but you can see pound looking to break out of this range here and to get above the 133 level. Let's have a look at the US yen. US was really strong against the yen yesterday. There you can see all the way up resistance at 145.68. Briefly went even higher this morning, but as you can see right now, US dollar being sold against the yen strengthening and sitting at 144.22. Daily chart EMAs are still pointing up. I think that'll look different when we look at the 4 hour. There you go. Bounce down off that yesterday's resistance. EMAs have crossed to the downside, sitting right now at 144.16 and looking all the way down here to 4 hour support at 142.50. And there it is on the hourly. You can see it's come down a long way since yesterday's resistance level up there at the 145.60 area. Let's have a look at US dollar Canadian. We know it's been sitting between 138, 139, even lower than 138, and that's happening today. You can see US dollar being sold off, sitting right now at 137.99, or that's 138, looking to come down and test 4 hour support at 137.82, and we've got a daily support at 137.69. If I go to the 4 hour, There you can see it coming down right now, the US, Canadian strengthening against the US, coming down to test that support level. And again, will be even stronger on the hourly. There you go. So for today, we're seeing, as the US session is underway now, we are seeing US dollar weakness, US dollar being sold off, euro strengthening nicely against the US. We see the yen also strengthening nicely against the US. US Canadian sitting in that range, sitting at the 138 level right now. And in 10 minutes' time, we have Wall Street opening up. So let's watch and see if US dollar weakness does continue and perhaps in the inverse relationship with the S&P and the equity markets, which have been strong so far this week. Good trading. Keep that discipline. I will see you at the end of day.